This message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service office in Peachtree City. Due to heavy rain touching down in Gwinnett County, DeKalb County, Cobb County, and Houston County, our freshwater converter has overfilled with water and fried the converter. Due to our state trying to fix this issue and doesn't need any more water filling our lake, please stop flushing toilets, washing clothes, and drinking fresh water from the fridge. Please only use water if needed for emergency drinking purposes. It is recommended to go to your local store and purchase water bottles for water drinking.